Welcome to RE Plus in Las Vegas, the leading event for renewable energy. We're showcasing several of our innovations, including our market-leading wireless mesh technology, which is optimized for solar trackers. Beside me here, I got my colleague Fritjof, who's going to show you some of the highlights that we have here at the show.
Radiocrafts has delivered radio modules to leading solar tracking companies for more than 5 years. This year at the show, we are excited to present the fruits of our collaboration with Advantech. Advantech is a leader in industrial embedded computing and networking, while Radiocrafts is a leader in ultra-reliable, license-free radio communication. By combining our unique strengths, we enable solar tracking companies to move faster to market with leading wireless control systems. Radiocrafts offer the radio module going into the tracker controller and gateway, while Advantech offer a highly reliable and secure networking platform and equipment delivering data into the SCADA system over IPv6.